Hello guys, this is Adhika Vadari from Extra Coding YouTube channel. So friends, in last video we learned how to slice a string. In today's video, we're gonna learn how to slice a string at an interval. So here we will make a new file, tu12.py. Okay, so here let's take this string only. Okay, now suppose if you want to print whole string at an interval of 1. So how will you do it? You will print machine and then inside square brackets first you will write start indexing. So if you want to print whole string, what will you do? You will just put a colon here. Okay, and if you want to go till last, you will put another colon here. Okay, so what will it do? This is the first position. This is the position of first number where we pass first argument. Okay, so here it is empty, so it will start from 0 only, and the position of second argument is also empty, so it will continue till last character. Okay, now on the third position, on the third argument, we will pass 1. Okay, now let's see what does it do. See, it is printing computer. That means 1 doesn't give any interval. If you print 2 here, so 2 will print with an interval. So C, then it left O, and then it printed M, then it left P, then it print U, and then E. So here's the answer, right? CMUE. Okay. So now if you want to start from O and go till T, so what is the position of O? It is 1. What is the position of T? It is 5. So we will pass here 6. Okay. I've told you in my last lecture why we will print 6 here. So if you haven't watched that video, I will give the link in the description box. You can check that out. Okay. So here, if I print it, so it will start from O and go till T. Okay. So in this string OMPUT, it will print this string at an interval of 1. So it will remove 1 character from the string. So O, and then it left M, and then it printed P, then it left U, and then it printed T. That's how it is printing OPT. Okay. Now, if you want to print this string in reverse order, what will you do? So let's just remove these two arguments here, and here at the place of 2 we will write -1. Okay, -1. So here, as you can see, it has reversed our string. That means writing -1 at the position of step argument reverses the string. Okay, so this is how you print a string. Okay, now let me again tell you the whole syntax of this arguments. Okay, so first you have to give the variable name. So as you can see here, the variable name is machine. Okay, then what will you do? You will write the square brackets. You will put square brackets, and inside square brackets, first argument you will give start argument, and then you will put a colon, and after putting a colon you will write stop argument. Okay, and then again you will put a colon, and then after the colon you will print step argument meant. Okay, so here you will give the starting argument, means the starting indexing, the start indexing from where you want to start, and in place of stop argument you will give the stop indexing where you want to stop plus 1. Okay, remember you have to write plus 1, and then at step argument you will give how many steps do you want. Okay, so here one more thing, writing 1 doesn't make any change. Okay, so you have to keep that in mind, that writing 1 at step argument do not make any change. Okay, place of step argument doesn't make any change. Okay, now another thing, that on the place of stop argument you will write stop indexing plus 1. You can keep note of this, right? You can make notes for this. So right, that's it. I will give the code in the description box. So see you soon in my next video, guys. If you have any doubts you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much.